Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon to everybody. Okay, children. See, children, all of you open your textbooks. Term 1, page number 138. Lesson number 2. Inside my body. Inside my body means what are the parts which are having inside the body. Okay, children. See. Now you see, children, our body has many parts. We have many body parts in our body. Each of these parts is called an organ. Each part is called an organ. Okay, children, organs. Organs are of how many types? 2 types. Children, once again see, our body has many parts. Okay, each part is called an organ. But organs are of 2 types. Once again see, organs are of 2 types. First one is external organs. External organs means the parts which are outside the body. Once again see, external organs. I told you organs. Organs are of 2 types. One is external organs. External organs, that means the parts which are outside the body. That means eyes, ears, nose, tongue, neck, hands, legs. These all come under external organs and they look outside the body. Well, coming to the internal organ, the second body part is called internal organs. Internal organs means the parts which are inside the body. See, the parts which are inside the body are called internal organs. That means brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver. These all come under the parts which are inside the body. Once again, children, our body is made up of different types of parts. Each part is called an organ. See, the organs are of how many types? 2 types. One is external organ, another one is internal organs. See, well, coming to the external organs. External organs means the parts which are outside the body. X means outside the body. The parts are called eyes, ears, nose. These all come under external organs. While coming to the internal organs. Internal organs means the body parts which are inside the body. In means inside the body. Those are lungs, heart, stomach, brain. These comes under internal organs. See, children. Organs are of 2 types, external, internal. First we will talk about external organs. External organs are the body parts we can see. The parts which we can see are called external organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, legs. These are called external organs. Each organ of our body does a job. Every organ will do its job. Okay, hands and arms help us to do many functions. For example, you take your hands. With the help of our hands, you can do many works. You can write, you can eat, you can play, everything. You can clap, everything you can do. You can fight with anybody with the help of your hands. Okay, see, with the help of the hands, see, this girl is writing, this boy is carrying the books, touching, playing with the puppy, pushing this plant pot, and his ear is pulling that. With the help of the hands, we can do all this works. See, fingertips, lips and tongue are some of the most sensitive parts of our body. Most sensitive parts means very smooth. Okay, these what are the smooth parts in our body? Fingertips, lips and tongue. These are very sensitive parts in our body. Like that, with the help of the hands, you can write, carry, touch. Like that I told. In the same way, with the help of the legs are also external body parts. With the help of the legs, you can walk, run, stand, jump. Okay, arms and legs are together called limbs. Arms ni, legs ni, limbs ane pilistar. Coming to, like that, in the same way, coming to the sense organs. Everybody will have the sense organs. How many sense organs we are having? 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. What are those? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. See, children, we have 5 sense organs. They help us to know about the things around us. What in the surroundings, what is going on. With the help of the sense organs, we can find out. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. First we will talk about eyes. We have 2 eyes. Eyes help us to see things around us. We move our eyelids to protect our eyes. See, we have 2 eyes. With the help of the eyes, we can see many things around us. With the help of the eyelids, you can close, you can protect your eyes. Dirty we can close with your eyes with the help of eyelids. Eyelids ante ivi. Vitultoti you can close your eyes and you can protect your eyes. Coming to the ears, we have 2 ears. Ears help us to hear different sounds. With the help of the ears, you can hear very beautiful sound, very horrible sound also. With the help of the nose, coming to the nose, with the help of the nose, we have only one nose, no 2 nose, only one nose. We can smell it with the help of the nose, good smell as well as the bad smell. When coming to the tongue, we have also one tongue. With the help of the tongue, you can taste different tastes like sweet, sour, bitter, salty. With the help of the tongue, you can do the taste. When coming to the skin, skin covers entire body. Skin ante idi. Body med bite unna cover ni skin anantaru. It covers total body. It helps us to feel. Feel means manaki sparsa telustundi. It is the largest sense organ. With all the 5 sense organs, skin is the very largest sense organ. We can feel cold, hot, hard, soft, etc. We should take care of our sense organs. See children, I told you already, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. In this 5, skin is the very largest sense organ. That's why we must take care to all the sense organs. Okay children? Then, bye children. Once again, thank you children. Bye.